Hello guys, this is Bean Fat Biker, no? So nasa Motech tayo. Okay, we'll try this brand new and newly opened auto shop. Okay, so we're here para mag PMS, change oil, everything, check wheel alignment, wheel balancing ng ating daily car. Okay, so samahan nyo ako if it's this Motech is swak or down. Okay, so join me in, guys. This is Bean Fat Biker Studio. This is Bean Fat Biker ulit, no? So this is Motech, okay? Flex natin dito sa may Marikina Heights. Okay, this is a brand new and newly opened Motech auto shop. Okay, but still we're still waiting for our car, and then let's see what will ever be the performance of it, if it's really recommendable and to be flexed to our friends here in YouTube. Okay, so let's find out later. And guys, no, so it's a yearly tune up, check up, change oil, everything, and PMS to my car. Okay, yan ang kanyang Merry Christmas. Okay. Change oil po tayo, ano, mga kabayan, no? Ayan. As you can see, so ba maganda ang serbisyo dito sa Motech, no? So dito natin dadalhin na ibang mga sakyan natin. Okay. So guys, no, kasama sa PMS natin ang change oil. Okay, ang gagamitin is fully synthetic. Okay. Isang balde po ang gagamitin namin. And guys, we're still here in Motech, no? Sa ating PMS and change oil and other check-up ng ating sakyan. Okay, ito naman ang kanyang oil filter na gagamitin. Okay, C415 oil filter for my Nissan X-Trail. Okay, so dire-diretso lang po tayo. So guys, no? So ang unang activity sa PMS is the change oil. So bago mag-change oil, nilagyan muna nila ng oil system clean plus flushing oil sa engine. Okay, ito yung gagamitin nila. And then change ulit tayo ng fully synthetic. That will be equivalent to 10,000 km bago magpalit ulit ng langis. Okay, so ito yung ilalagay na spark plugs. Okay, by Motech. Okay, flex natin si Emma ng Motech, no? Kaya akong mechanic yung bago ng Motech. Okay, no? Flex ulit natin si Motech ng Marikina Heights. Okay, ito aking magiging bagong mekaniko, no? So ito ginagamit lang brake cleaner sa German brand work. So huwag magtaka kung mahal, kung branded naman ang ginagamit nila. Okay, again, this is Eman. Okay, guys, this is Bean Fat Biker, no? So, Pang-Casa ang serbisyo publiko ni Motech dito sa Marikina Heights. So, tara, pumunta na kayo dito, okay? Let's flex po ito, okay? Aking mekaniko, si Emma, si Eloisa, hanapin nyo na po. Okay, let's get it on, guys.